Hey guys, this is Nicole Roberts, the Creative Catalyst, and I wanted to show you guys the art display thing that I made a couple weeks ago and show you kind of how it works and why I made it and all of that. So I'm gonna flip my camera around and show you guys how I put it together. Okay, I'm setting it up here in my library, which is currently doubling as a sewing area for sewing masks. As well as an art display area. We're just kind of using it for a little bit of everything. But this is the thing that I made. I just cut out some stair looking shapes and I screwed these pieces two along the bottom, one on the very top back, and then one here in the middle just to kind of support it. Nothing fancy, just screwed them in there, and then I spray painted the whole thing. And then I made these little guys. They almost look like a planter box of sorts without an end cap, but they're just 1, 2, 3 pieces of wood, and I actually just wood glued them together and stained them. So they kind of create this cool little gusset type thing that I can set the artwork in. So I have 4 of them. So this is the first one, and this one will actually, let's see if I can even show you guys without setting my camera down. This one will go up against there. I gotta go grab the other parts first, and what I'll do is I'll stack one on top, then one here, and then one will sit along the bottom. So I'll show you guys what it looks like when it is all finished. Okay, so now you guys can see how it looks all set up. Some of you know I have a succulent obsession, so I have succulents kind of poked out of the sides just to make it look extra cute. But it's just kind of like a little staircase of art, which is a lot of fun, I think. So I'll be using this once we're out of quarantine to take to vendor shows and things like that, so that I can sell art prints. And I'll have other sizes available too. These are the smallest ones that I'll be selling. And then I'll also have, you can see I got a few today that I need to put in their mat boards, but I'll have 8x8 prints and a few 5x7s and some 8x10s as well. So lots of fun, colorful artwork will be coming your way after quarantine. Whoop whoop. Hope you guys enjoyed my little presentation of my art display.